Hello and welcome back to another Hot Wheels video. We got a premium set this time. Part of the Car Culture series, we have the Hyper Haulers. So yes, I think I got this set from Sainsbury's, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I vaguely remember having a peg hunt, and I think this car, the Bronco, there was a lot less of that than there was everything else, which was weird, because I thought this would be the car that everyone wanted, but, you know, I'm pretty sure the Bronco is a new casting, so perhaps that is why. But yes, let's have a closer look. Unfortunately, I've only got this one here, which will open at the end of the video. It's just way too expensive, and actually quite impossible to buy duplicates over here. You're lucky enough to get a full set, to get one full set. Let's take a look at the first one. We have the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This is pretty cool. There is the card art for you to have a look at. Hyper Haulers written in the back. Really cool. So this is car 1 of 5, will obviously go in order. Nice front light details as well. Got your awesome 5-spoke alloys on this one, which look really cool. There you go. It's quite a good image there. It's quite difficult to see because the light always glares up on the box on these. And there is the back. Get some focusing going on there. Nice rear light details, the Ford badge as well. And there is the base. And of course the awesome treaded rubber tyres, which is really cool. Do love me some premiums. But they come at a premium cost, which is unfortunate, but there we are. Next up, number 2. There's the card art. Looking really awesome. Do quite like the design of these. I like the little sort of coloured streaks at the top. I don't know why, but I like the fact they all got their own coloured streaks at the top. I think it looks awesome. So this is the Badger Bouncer. Zoom back in for a closer look. Pretty cool, got some blue and red stripes on the side. Can't quite tell what that says on there. Lucas Oil Products Incorporated. Pretty cool. Nice decals on the side. Nice off-road tyres with again some small 5-spoke wheels. I don't think I've actually seen those wheels before. It's pretty cool indeed. Try and get a look at the back there. Oh, really cool. Got the light details on there. Got the spare wheels on the back there as well. Stripes going over the top of the car. At the front, we got the front ball bar with the lights painted on. And there is the base. So yeah, that is very cool. Car number 3. Zoom back out, give you a look at the card art there. Awesome looking Jeep. Really cool. Same wheels, I think, as the last one, but then this time they are gold. Zoom back in for some more details. Got some grey doors, which I don't think show up that much on. Maybe they do show up on the card art. Not quite as much as they do on the car itself. There is the back. It's hard to get light on the back of these cars, I find. It glares up too much. But there is the back. All the light details. Some awesome bikes in the back. I keep shaking. Sorry about that. I'm all shaky for some reason. It's very hard to hold the case like that. And then when we go to the front, awesome front light details as well. Really cool. It's a really nice looking green as well. There is the base. Obviously the back of the cards on these are just the cards you can get in the set, and a load of gubbins all over it. I don't know if these differ from US cases or not, actually. Can't say I've ever had any US premium cars. Right, next up, the one that had the least amount of, the Ford Bronco, which is pretty cool. Pretty sure this is quite a new vehicle to be released, and very new casting. It says 2069 on it, look. That must mean it's from the future, that's why everyone wants it. But yeah, pretty cool. Same wheels again with the off-road tyres, but I mean, these wheels do look... Actually, no, these aren't the same wheels. No, I tell a lie. These are different off-road alloys. Look. Look. Hang on. They're very dark, so it's hard to tell. But I'm clearly blind. Pretty cool design on this one. I do like this kind of race livery. It's really cool looking. There's the front, which hard to see, but it has got some detail in it and a little badge. Shame it's really, really hard to see. And then on the back, got the massive rear bar, and I think the engine comes out a bit. I'm not sure, but there's a spare wheel there, and I think that's like a, might even just be an exhaust or a rad. Can't quite tell, and I can't quite see. And on the top there, got a horse. Pretty cool. What if it worked me angling the light? Might have been better just to turn the light off. No, never mind, it's dark now. Let's not do that. Anyway, moving on. Here is the last car. Let's stop the light waving about. We have the Datsun Sunny Truck B120. This is awesome. It's car number 5. I'll show you the awesome card art and I'll put it back because we got one to open. Oh yes. I found tons and tons of these at Smith's Toys. So these clearly actually aren't as popular as I expected, but nonetheless, it means I can tear one open. It always feels like a crime tearing open a premium car. Slow it down, zoom in a bit on this awesome casting. Really, really cool. This one's got so much detail in it. Front lights and grille painted in. Got the little license plate there. Got the little license plate which says Datsun, if it would focus on it. Nice old school sort of 4-spoke wheels. They look really, really cool indeed. Number 120, the blue striping. Loads of brands along the top there. Little side marker light as well. I don't know where to be with this. It's not focusing very well. Really, oh, I'm dropping it now. Really, really cool. On the back there, we've got the Datsun logo and some more awesome rear light details as well. Really, really cool. I really like that. And in the back there, we got some. That's really. I was trying to figure out why it looked. Oh, I was trying to figure out why it looks so weird. It's got like a bit of clear plastic in the back. Pretty cool. And there is the base. Excellent. That's really cool. There we have it for the Hyper Haulers premium set. Gotta say, a pretty awesome set. I do really like it. Like I say, it's a shame I couldn't get a full set, another full set to open, but I'm really not made of money. But there we have a little sort of look over as best we can in the very heavy light reflective boxes. I'm still struggling to get this camera to focus on things. Some videos seem to go really well and other videos don't. I don't know if I'm accidentally playing with a setting, I'm not sure. Cars in the boxes. In fact, oh, hi. But there we are. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Be sure to drop a like if you've enjoyed and subscribe for more. But yeah, stay tuned because soon I'm going to be taking a look at the Toyota premium set.